Go.
Okay, so hello, my name is Branden T, and I've made a weather app. So my goal was to design a weather app using Python. For design, I just used the free WeatherStack API for my weather data, and then I used tcondoo to display the weather data in like a website sort of thing, and then program. So this is just all the code I used to actually like display the weather app data. Instead of like just the normal Python text, it's like a bit fancier in a way. So I just tested my code about 30 times to make everything work. Just like trial and error, learning the new API stuff. And then the problem I had was that the free WeatherStack API only allowed 1 day. So instead of what's supposed to be a 10-day forecast, it's like 1 day. It's really sad. And then in the future I'd like to change the weather API so you can add more days to my forecast. There's probably better ones out there for free. And then demo. Done it. And then here. It's really tiny, but it shows the date, location, current time, observation time, day was observed, temperature in Celsius, and wind speed. And that's it. Any questions? Yeah.
Can you explain what an API is? Kind of a hard question.
That's a weird question.
Do you at least know what it lets you do?
It lets you like take stuff from like a website and turn it into code. Yeah.
What for the temperature? Why does it say 24 degrees instead of Celsius?
It's in Celsius.
Okay.
That's it.
Well.
I guess.
All right. You want to give him a round of applause?